In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward a subdomain in your Godaddy account. Whether you're managing multiple sites or just need to redirect traffic, this step-by-step guide will make it simple. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log in to Godaddy. First, open your browser and head over to godaddy.com. Log into your account, and once you're in, go to your products section. This is where all your domains and services are listed. Step 2. Select your domain. Find the domain you want to update. If you have a lot of domains, you can use the search feature to save time. Once you've located the domain, click on DNS to open the DNS management page. Step 3. Find the forwarding section. On the DNS management page, scroll until you see the forwarding section. This is where you can set up redirection for your domain or subdomain. Step 4. Add forwarding. Click on Add Forwarding. Now type in the subdomain you want to forward and then enter the destination URL, the web address where you want visitors redirected. Pro tip, double check your URL for typos because even one mistake could send visitors to an error page. Step 5. Save and wait for propagation. After entering everything, review your settings and click Save. Your subdomain should now forward to the new URL. Keep in mind, DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to fully propagate. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a subdomain in Godaddy. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more website and domain tips.